Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are working on a Mazda truck that is facing a self-starter issue. The truck is not starting properly, and when we try to crank the engine, it feels weak or completely dead. This is a common problem in heavy vehicles, so let's go step by step and fix it. First, the mechanic begins by removing the starter motor from the engine. This component is very important, because it is responsible for turning the engine over and starting the truck. Without a properly working starter, the engine won't respond at all. Now that the starter has been removed, it's time to open it up and inspect the internal components. Inside the starter, we have parts like carbon brushes, the armature, and the coil windings. These parts work together to create the power needed to crank the engine. As we can see here, the carbon brushes are worn out. This is one of the most common reasons why a starter fails. When the brushes become weak or too short, they cannot pass enough electrical current, which results in a weak or non-working starter. The mechanic now removes the damaged brushes and replaces them with new ones. At the same time, all the internal parts are being cleaned to remove carbon dust and dirt buildup. Cleaning is very important because even small particles can affect the performance of the starter. Next, the armature and other components are checked carefully to make sure there is no major damage. Once everything looks good, the starter is reassembled step by step. Each part is fitted properly, and all screws are tightened securely. Now the repaired starter is installed back into the Mazda truck. The wiring connections are reattached carefully, ensuring there are no loose connections. Finally, it's time for the test. The ignition is turned on, and the truck starts smoothly without any hesitation. This shows that the starter is now working perfectly. That's how a self-starter issue is diagnosed and repaired in a Mazda truck. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more auto repair content.